is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Yo, mi apen pola umedwe zona mi va Venigba TV. Kwa injona pagoma jepa Tony Magboy enya do we zona mi va gbato hama medak na mi ba mi le de kawo plim le egbe efwe akpe blave blavo de fwe jiun aton fwe nkeke blave to pagoma jepa nya ke machuma popo yako dakpa gana na mi katambe mi chura la mana Venigba TV, our land, our heritage TV anya TV ke le ho le wato ele ho technical university amagbe ke amomia ko samla Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria pakparo pe hika pakpa mamno kata yi ke javala donkio le me dakpa na mi ya ba mi adolo klimi le nya po boku do na o na nyade liebe dwana se ne bafade da relasio na she chana ye ne jibe ya agremiaji alaba mi adobu na alo ya kwere mi apo na onchikra akoga adolo mi le mo waro mo kata agremiaji fa alaba na kwere mi amochu mo kokwa ko da pene fola heba play to ba wala me na mi gongo ke me da pene mi apo ho tichina me cha ntuama fa so takpe hamnola honorable Richmond Edem Kofi Potosu ha Edem Gwana mi gongongo me aja wona goma bale kimione dai ne ble mi apa motivational message a emi ne mi we pira ka mi azoro ngwa ponke nya jojo tutio yokele mi apa amuganto mafia ble nya jojo kawe kamile pe ni gba ya oji ke ne mi zoro ngwa nya apo mukawe nya jojo ke kakare mi apa ajojo bana mamlo katame le Ghana kata glogodo ke donc jibe +233 242670773 enye kapojeshi ke na terms aza ako acheka bapring +233 242670773 yenye nomba ke ji na tem ato alebe nyadwaje ta dem yape aje roma la pashapa ikaje wo motivational message jonwo news so nkake ne jibe ya pung chwe kwa dem nya fa jero ma fa alebe nya akhna wo nya go bloda ke mi je gon premier motivational message ko lek pira kwa bale ke moni dai na ma jago ma ple english gbe ta ma wogale english gbe ma afi awo egbe mamle awo awe de gbe ma sorry okay welcome you to the transmission. Ton Magbo is doing this, and I thank you all for joining me in our show. Today's motivational message is from John Dryden. John Dryden, he said, "But far numerous was the head of such who think too little, who talk too much." John Dryden said, "But far numerous was the head of such who think too little and talk too much." These are the words of a great philosopher, thinker, and sage, and that's how I start my show this morning. So many people talk. So many people do a lot of talking, but they do not do a lot of thinking. Who think too little, but talk too much, and that is a call to action for every one of us to learn how to think before we talk, and think and talk, and when we talk, we act out what we say. And that's how we start our show. Yo, mikmom le miapa TV oji, nyare ke nyala gare brade ivai, be amagero ufuna mfun daka da so mo fun jigera mfofo na pole ka subo pa fuda da no me ne ma ona mi nyama le ngongo ko pa me ma be afi ke poli le alon mfofo le mfofo ka subo fun apa ko ni ka jona yo be fuda da wana akan me ka jiba pa me ma jima feto ndio mi ka hiana konkonko e ka ta ma cho mi a be mi a cho don se mi a rupio nyi be ejebe mi asron le ke ni o bu mi la alo mi o ke le mi fa ta ma susu ma onye mi o ke glo mi la alo mi asron le ke mi dang ble cho mi o ke mi gbogbon chi nwi ha fi cho blona ke ni mi blora mi anya mi o ke me mi apun ko wona chi amo ka ni mi pun wo e mi akbo we mi o na ne cho mi o ke mi blon chi dema ni mi na ma mi adidi professor se ke mi to na mo jikui kemi dona mo anyaro kemi blona ke mere mi dua fi glo ne mi glo vo mi po manyina na me bia fi ta dodoro vivi aro le nyan popo chinwa atem ahengo yi ple to mo fa ko le ainjeje le mi apo azon liome ne mai nya aje egba wona gome ye ma yo mi azorango akbonka nye nyajojo yo kele miapa ho chichina mechanto mafia nyajojo kawe le miapa muga ntome nyajojo kawe kaka ezu chi ashishan le miapa Ghana kata rogodo ke abale kimi one dai na ne ofo gania mikbana amatohiado mikbana amatohiado yoko gana miaji alabe mijona ngome ta hiaba na no toji na no mogbo na lo funarashi pasa ke wana kata un aba so stronger le miapa egbepe wona me ke don kujin aba mi ga mi anko sam le Facebook aba ngba TV le Facebook mi le YouTube live if you like ke ne mi obo mi chona nya yo ke mi blow yo ke nya donko mi chona pochi ko danare TikTok jiha alabe so stronger anonome. All right, so let's go to our stories for today. Holiday, mediaholiday.com. Volta Regional Minister Lords CAGD reforms. Volta Regional Minister Laws CAGD reforms. That's the Controller and Accountant General Department's reform. Nicho ekeva zucho ya Ghana kata glogoto fwe jiru domaga ikakpona jiru dolo fwe ganya oji fetuhehe oji akontanya anomia fwe amuganto mafia anotakwa petohiare mekle miafe Honorable James Kunu ike nye Volta Regional Minister ke pire kwa New York jile takwa mama le holiday.com news. All right, Volta Regional Minister Lords CAGD reforms. Wontumi court battles continue amidst delays. Okay, Wontumi can Ashanti top NPP top Jimanola where Uho yoke Matumole Nyaro Yoko Chorenchi the Kanya Ashibura Gama Gare Kenya Exim Bank Faga okay so where's I Momaro Fimon Ko Logamaro Kodeo Kutukumeta Washipamani more a handle manage where after making remarks spark judicial controversy after making phone follow for ike Jokbon Kumane Bondrola de Calabronia Dishi for Enyajia Uga Labronia Dishi Abronia Dishi and Bono top Jimanolane NPP Bono Toma Kata for Jimanolane MPP wo Ogali de phone follow futa Dangata Panyamaking Kumane Bondola Kele Enyaji Security Court Jajare Dangman a number Dora Jin la Parliament Kakandi to Kanya Faso Takahama Local Fuma over Noke Aponyamaking ko vai le Takaha Tohiare Kapun Joypon Popo Blair and Popo Esse Munononchi MPP 6 diplomatic intervention amidst rising tensions. Eganya Nyareka Ekagale holiday.com India MPP to Ovai Gare Betamo Duko for Duko Nola Nola Alu Pam Toto Dure Tana to come Popo no Perenchi Araba Jiruye and Nabo to come Kujunayo no Punyavia Kulayo no Punyavia Kulayo Amokatalo holiday.com Railway workers to of Ghana to strike. Railway workers of Ghana to strike. If you have a American Judolo, you can le dogo kepona keteke for Zozon play epe Amokokoyi plebo fanya o le fia. Railway workers of Ghana to strike. Oh, Bobone Professor Sarah Gigino, you for Ghana play you for the Gino ma Afochomo, Jirama Kotrom the Yo Wale Kojeva or Ramata Yo Jibiga Rashi but on one of them. Richard Ahia for Eyes Whole Central NDC Chairmanship. Alefia Richard Ahia for Eyes Whole Central Chairmanship. Okay, Richard Ahia for Ikanya Assemblyman Rane Bankwe Amachang Tome Ikaganye N Sitopa Kamachira Kale Miapa Hujisna Cham Machang Toma Abdi Blonnet Babe Anypa Susuba Yazu Nunolane who Chichina Machang Tome Alabadoro Ruga Like Huisabe Yatem Awo Ne Wochang. All right, Volta Minister Laws GA CAGD reforms. Let me do something. Let me do something small on that. The Volta Regional Minister James Gunu has expressed support for the Controller and Accountant General's Department reforms aimed at enhancing transparency and efficiency in public financial management. Gunu welcomed the initiatives during a recent visit by the Controller and Accountant General, Mr. Kwesi J, to the Volta region. And the reforms include linking pension and payroll databases with the National Identification Authority and births and death registry systems to eliminate ghost names, as well as phasing out manual checks in favor of electronic payments. GUNU commended their Controller and Accountant General for these efforts, emphasizing their potential to strengthen accountability. The Localized Recruitment Initiative, which aims to create employment opportunities for qualified residents in the Volta region, was also welcomed by GUNU. He urged staff of the CAGD to support the successful implementation of these reforms. GUNU's remarks underscore the government's commitment to improving public financial management and promoting transparency. All right, so that's the first story we have here. That's a big banner story we have here. The Controller and Accountant General Department's boss, Director General of the Controller and Accountant General Department, Jiru Dope Kapona for her, Jiru Dola, Popa for her no la don, no ide Jijome, Gaokata Yoko Chona Yawa Toji, Afi Jiru Dope Mamma Yokata me, Alo Bankio, Gajalfo, Alo pension schemes Yokatolo, Afi Yokatao, Okbugamo Chobo, Eva, Niafon Toma Kakira Kobo Blomafisia. Yo jijimba na maraja dola jiru doko ko gbegbo oji but asedi gba na ikeleshi oji ya ejeba ochi akode moment o check na gbalama ble amap Ghana card o check na Ghana card ma bla map bank account alo fi ke o gaja ro ko jeshi keli ba anya gaja ro afuma ble ehoku ble kufa gasedi gba no ejeba ka chacha kana no no in no man no nyagara momo nya o ama fonko ko to go gbegbe ojenye e ko mo enye yi gbagbo je do for tu e kele sheni gbegbo ku a ke fonko burale omo fa doma ana gabo ngoli mo mano for tu khom e ka ko jogbe moli o mo po do wo alo mo po na ko du e jiglo be yude wonare to mo be yo ko ne do so he o le nya fa muga ntome ta yo vala ka ko yo ne jagba alo doro yoke yujiba dashina so he o nye ngbe o dono daria o we alwa to dia na no to ma takpire kwa enyanye nyape big story holiday.com enye fika na takbo enyama ole. All right, enya de kai ka dola ike ma choba nyatwa ayore nje ka kwenye Railway Workers Union of Ghana to strike. The Railway Workers Union of Ghana has served notice of impending industrial action, threatening to down tools if the government and management of Ghana Railway Company Limited fail to settle 11 months of outstanding salaries by the end of May. So in the Metro News report, the union's patience is wearing thin as workers continue to suffer financial hardship. The union's leadership has expressed dismay at the persistent delay in payment, citing the dire impact on the livelihoods of its members. Efforts to engage with management have reportedly yielded no results, prompting the union to take more drastic stands. The threatened strike could have far-reaching consequences for Ghana's economy, given the critical role the railway sector plays in transporting goods and people. The union's action is likely to exacerbate existing transportation challenges and disrupt business operations. All right, so Ghana Railway Company Limited, $1 o jibimre jirung labe anobe jinwo wi de Kenya o mo mo akoko foto amo ba ga chima ba magba kata e ba na ba agbe ke ma ba mo ba na ba agbe ba sesen $1 o jagba ba yo do ko ba sesa bono ko do ma ga albo na chonchi o kaka pago re ata wo gbogbo na jiru ba ta so na ko jiru a yo nkeke na jiru a fifia yo ejibimre jiru anchi le ma jiji mo yo ashire ko fa do ngonchi alba no fome na yo bijira jiun na ma e na gaba ale keko jirudu repro na mo jirudu anabe jirudo pe akona moto na keteke ji agba gegleglo na gwa mo o me mokoga acho agba o akoyo wachi omu ameoka zona moto ntu mo ke gbetutu mo ntro mo jugba o ji peto to na keteke po moji alobo odo no depo glo wachi o me bobuya agba na sekretary na jiru amakponyo mo gba na sekretary na du komevio ta mi da kuku mshamika mi atemwa awa abajirua niwe losuba moga sasa na du komevio. All right, so that's another interesting development right there. Okay, mia agazorengo akpo nkawe ganye mia fe mia jojore kavaro yoke ekami vevin ko mia ahodomo chuchupiare ajunyar kavarum. All right, makbon interesting news at Lafia. Let's just do that one quickly on holiday. Kafi Nyatura Nyamamna. NPP seeks diplomatic intervention amidst rising tensions. The opposition New Patriotic Party has formally petitioned the diplomatic community in Ghana, expressing grave concerns over the erosion of democratic governance and human rights in the country. The party's appeal was made during the presentation to Her Excellency Imani Kouadi, Ambassador to the Kingdom of Morocco, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco, to Ghana and Dean of the Diplomatic Corps. Presenting the petition, Member of Parliament for Wejagbawe and Second Deputy Minority Whip Jerry Ahmed Shaib emphasized the need for international vigilance in protecting Ghana's democratic principles. The NPP alleges a systematic assault on democratic freedoms, citing the criminalization of dissent and the weaponization of state institutions against opposition figures. The petition highlights the case of Kwame Bafo, popularly known as Sabrina DC, who was arrested and charged with offensive conduct conducive to breach of peace and publication of false news for criticizing a judge. The NPP argues that such actions undermine public confidence in state institutions and violate constitutional guarantees of equality before the law. The party is urging the diplomatic community to closely monitor the situation, publicly reaffirm the importance of freedom of expression and judicial independence, and engage the government on the misuse of criminal prosecutions against opposition figures. And I'm quoting him, "The culture of silence must never return to Ghana," the petition concludes. The NPP's appeal underscores the growing concerns between the government and opposition parties in Ghana, with implications for the country's democratic trajectory. The NPP Toyoke Leso Takbeham Open Nolok Parento Jerry Ahmed Ikanye Weja Baweto So Takbehame Yila Mchachan So Takbehame Nongone MPRO Alaba Ovaidogo Ameke Lengone Jiduduo Kata Lihama Globoto Fue Duko Polola Arunu Nolao Fue Defanola Legana Dukosha Duko Dona amakbare ba ono du koma plola tefe le Ghana ala bo du koma vio ke le Ghana fa de tenyo na kuma na ke choy ke va ya Excellency Imani Kouadi yi kanye Morocco to fa fianga tefe no la le Ghana ye nyame ke bo yi wa cho fa tibibi kula va sese de fian ogboni ire ko ba yora kukulo yora kuku anwo sesem na yole du koma la gbegbe la be na yo pomwa nya yo glo o chona nyama ba chona kete ku ko jana jimna yo abronya disi nya kporon de kawo be na ire bono to ama abronya disi glonyaro apon epon foa apon kuma na pon dra fuma ona holi beto oji gbe amagere nya viare ku gbomo le ko azuje nya viare ku gbomo le ko to diolo na number culture of silence Kenya dokwi culture of silence the Kongware Kenya jin kifa de konware kanoni political science political history of Ghana professor de noni kan kwanya ba professor Edubuahin yikan nongone NPP dunya ha le 1992 mala aho problema ikanye ohulubanto yike flight lieutenant Cherry John Rawlings retired of blessed memory ikanye flag atola na English yamaima ble NPP wobli emanye jigbanto ke democracy alo so mina so egbore magbore pe amechacha de blefetufa du koplo blo ple de blefetufa amechacha ka trova Ghana Kenya Fourth Republic alo nye jenelia mi kwa jembe pota sare na noni ike o yana bedulise alo du kopla pa sagare na noni du kofa sagare na noni ka mi kata da yo bo de democracy tume le 1992 a make sure flag na MPP a globe aw azonko fifi ayota plong na oglo le nya ta glory la be there has been a culture of silence. There has been a culture of silence. Nkisisi alo do bisisi ko de konware no ila ba mai wana fuma ba da gbota po shanda mota hatuno asoja ota allo ayaw mire ko kuma na ko kakua MPP to gbogbo egba